In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format text and change font size on Squarespace. If you want to give your Squarespace site a cleaner look and make your text easier to read, this is a great place to start. We'll be working inside the site design settings where you can update the overall font style and adjust the base font size for your website. First, go to the top right corner and click Site Styles. This opens the design panel where Squarespace lets you control the visual appearance of your site. If you're trying to make your website feel more modern, elegant, bold, or minimal, this is where a lot of those changes begin. Once you're in Site Styles, find Fonts and click the arrow next to it to expand that section. This is where Squarespace groups all of your typography settings. Opening this area gives you access to the font options that affect the overall text style across your site. Next, click on All Font Packs. Font packs in Squarespace are curated combinations of fonts designed to work well together. This is useful because instead of choosing every font one by one, you can apply a coordinated style that already has a balanced look for headings, body text, and other text elements. From there, select the font pack you want to use. Take a moment to preview the options and choose one that fits your brand or the style you want for your website. For example, some font packs feel more professional and clean, while others feel more creative or editorial. Choosing the right one can make a big difference in how your content is presented. After selecting your font, go back to the previous menu. This takes you back to the main font settings so you can continue adjusting the appearance of your text. Now look for base size. To increase the font size, click the plus icon. This setting controls the overall text scale, so increasing it can make your content more readable and accessible, especially on smaller screens. It's a good idea to make small adjustments and watch the preview as you go, so the text stays comfortable to read without overwhelming the layout. That's how you format text and change font size on Squarespace. By choosing a font pack and adjusting the base size, you can quickly improve both the style and readability of your site. If you're refining your website design, these simple changes can have a surprisingly big impact.